It's official. It is wash day. Yes, and my hair is dying for some moisture. So yeah, I have to show you guys what my hair currently looks like because it's getting ready for a pre-poo. Now the ingredients in which I use for my pre-poo are three different types of oils. Extra virgin olive oil. I love it just because of the different sealing and softening benefits it gives. Castor oil, which is a humectant. It has antifungal properties and increases thickness and ensures a clean scalp. And my third one is almond oil, which nourishes and strengthens the hair in order to, increase the circulation in your scalp as well. So all these oils together, produces my pre-poo. So it's time to section off my hair. Came back sectioned off, guys. And I gotta get down. Because that's how I roll when it's time for wash day. Because anything can keep you entertained, right? But anyways. So I am going to split that section into two. Because it was way easier to manage your hair when you split it into smaller sections. Especially, do you guys see how thick my hair is? Like, dude, like my hair is super thick. But anyhow, so I'm going to start to, go through my hair, try to make it a little bit more pliable by putting aloe vera juice on it and water. That's my aloe vera juice and water mixture. I put it in a spray bottle. Spray it on my hair. I don't make it too damp, but I make it damp enough to make it pliable, as I said before. And then I'm just going to stretch it, pull it out. In order to loosen up the bottom, the ends of my hair. As I work through my hair, I'm holding it from root and just working it out from the tip, stretching it out in order to kind of detangle it in a sense. It makes it way easier for me to run my hands through it once I stretch it and detangle it a little bit more before I actually put the pre-poo on my hair. I have to set my hair up for success. So I'm going to grab some of that pre-poo. And I don't put it directly on my hair like some people may do it. I'll put it in my hands, and that's what you're seeing me do right now. And I'll work the pre-poo through my hair. I'm basically pressing it into my hair so that all of my strands can get a piece of that nice pre-poo pie. I use the prayer method a lot just because, the prayer method is amazing. You're basically just pressing it in your hair and working it through. Just remember to be as gentle as possible and just ensure, like, if you feel like a tangle, work it through. And it's crucial that you finger the tangle for your life. Now I'm going to begin to twist my hair down, and as I'm twisting it down, I am smoothing it out. Smooth it out, twist it down, and it should be detangled. Now I've wrapped it up. I am almost done. I only have the top of my hair to begin to do, and I'm just going to, show you guys how to just go through it, okay? So watch and learn. So as you guys see, I rake through my hair very often just because, not only does it, spread that product amongst my hair strands, but it helps with the finger detangling process as well. As you see, I missed a piece of hair, but I really don't care. I'm just going to move forward and keep on twisting my hair down. But I am not going to leave that piece of hair hanging, of course. I still gotta meet it and see it and make sure it has as much oil on it as possible. So as far as twists, I have 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 twists to be exact. These are, rather like not large twists, but medium twists. I'm looking for my bag, y'all. Voila, there it is. I don't, use a regular cap. I use a bag. Why not? Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's what I believe. I mean, hey, do what you gotta do. And I put my clip on it, and next is the dryer. So I sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. Yes, I'm showing y'all the big 1.5 because that's how long I sit under my dryer. I may sit under it longer depending on how I feel, but 15 minutes to me is sufficient enough, So I am back like I never left with that Prepoo all washed out. I actually used my own mixture shampoo, natural products. Yes, yes, yes. My first time testing it out, and it did its thing, which I'm happy about. So we should see how that works out. But I cleaned it out. My hair feels amazing. It doesn't feel oily, it doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel stripped. Like that's what I'm going for when it comes to a pre-poo. I don't want my hair to feel stripped, and as you guys see, like my hair has reverted back to that natural curl pattern, and that's what you want. Like you never want a product to strip your hair whatsoever, especially natural girls hair. You know how that can be. But anywho, so now I'm going to move forward to my deep conditioning. So I use the Aunt Jackie's flaxseed recipe, the intensive repair conditioning mask. And with that, like I use 3 scoops in a bowl. And of course, I'm going to add to it. I have some essential oils that I need to add to it. I first start with vitamin E oil. It unclogs hair follicles and nourishes the roots for growth. My next oil is tea tree oil. I'm going to show you it. This unclogs your hair follicles and nourishes the roots, which also promotes hair growth. And last but not least, one of my favorite oils, which is castor oil. Castor oil is amazing. It has antifungal properties and increases thickness and ensures a clean scalp. As I said previously, I want thick, luscious, beautiful hair, and castor oil, and these oils do that for me. So I'm just going to mix those ingredients up, and just to show you guys the consistency of this mixture for my deep conditioning, it's very thick. I love thick products. For some reason, thick products just seem to work for me. They seem to last longer for me as well, just because I can kind of spread it a little bit more. And a little bit goes a long way with a thick product. You continue to, just move it through your hair. You're definitely going to have your fair share of that product. Well, for me at least. So the way that I apply that is I apply it to the roots of my hair, and then I just, spread it down, just like, pressing it into my hair. And it tends to, coat the strands and kind of, loosens up my hair in a sense. So I'm just going to go through the motions, add it to my ends, just so that all of my hair gets a proper dosage of it. And as you guys see, I am still detangling, and then I'm going to twist that section of my hair up, you know, as I'm smoothing down. And like I said, that was not that much of the product, but you can clearly see that it is on my hair, working well. That's what it's made for. I should have put right here that SpongeBob saying when I will later because your girl was arm definitely was hurting by the time that I got up here. Like my arms were tired. I mean, it's just because like when you have thick hair, you just have to make sure that you know, you're detangling it and you're being gentle and being careful and yeah, so as you guys see, I'm spreading it on my hair. Remember when we used to get relaxers? For those who used to get relaxers, this is what this is reminding me of. But when I used to get a relaxer, I used to apply it to the roots of my hair because that is the, you know, the newest part of your hair, and it's usually the thickest part. So I put that on it just because I want to make sure that that part continues to stay healthy. And then I work my way down to the ends, and pretty much as I'm working through my hair, like that product just begins to spread through my hair anyways, and literally ends up a whole lot at the bottom. That makes sense. But I'm just gonna work my hands through it, detangle, and keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. Finally finished, and with the rest of that product that I have left over, I'll put it on my edges and I'll disperse it amongst, you know, the rest of my hair, just because I don't waste product whatsoever. And you know, with 4C hair, shoot, more is definitely great. Now I'm gonna get my cap again because I'm about to sit under the dryer, and yes, you know my cap is a bag. Like I said before, reduce, reuse, recycle, and that's just what I do. We go grocery shopping. I'm not about to waste no bag when I can put it on my hair. But anyways, so I'm gonna twist it up, put my clip on there, and it is time to get underneath that dryer, baby. So for 20 minutes, I will be under this dryer to 0. Yes. I'm eating my food until I am completely finished, you know, and ready to go. All right, guys, I am all done with my wash day routine. From the pre-poo to the dryer to washing my hair out with my own homemade shampoo to conditioning my hair with, you know, on Jackie's conditioner, some added oils, and sitting under the dryer once again and washing it out. I am done. Thank goodness. But anyways, yeah, so my hair feels soft. It feels amazing. It feels moisturized. Thank goodness that it was exactly what I'm going, well, what I was going for. Now it's time to do my, you know, routine as far as getting moisture, all of the moisture in my hair, because as you guys know, it is November. And November means that my hair is going to be dry because of the cold weather. So I have to retain as much moisture as possible. So I'm about to follow this up with my, you know, lock method, I guess I can call it, right? Lock method, LOC, LCO, whatever method I choose. You're going to figure it out, but I'm going to let you know. Yeah, but I'm finished, guys. And yeah, like I said, let me just show you guys some more of it. Yeah, it is soft. You see that elasticity is bouncing back. Feels great. But yeah, guys, all done. Thank goodness. It definitely took long enough. Okay, because it is skin o'clock. No, I'm just kidding. But no, it took long enough. I'm done. Finished. Peace out, guys. If you want to watch more videos, like I said, like, subscribe, hit me up, comment, and let me know, what you are interested in. But like I said, I will be back on a weekly basis. Peace. Bye.